We are on day 17 of the 5 Luo Words A Day. Welcome. Today we talk about adhinga. Adhinga. Adhinga means tightly. Oumo agulu adhinga. Oumo agulu adhinga. So if you cover a pot tightly, then we say adhinga. The second word of the day is adhinga. Still, adhinga. Adhinga. Beer which has been strained, or the act of straining. Now, the act of straining is called dingo. Dingo. The act of straining is dingo. Dingo. Adhok. Adhok. Adhok is the number of rounds when coiling a rope. For example, asegoyo adhok ang'wen. Asegoyo adhok ang'wen. Adhok. Adhok. Asegoyo adhok ang'wen. Adhula. Adhula. Adhula is the soccer game, and the game where 11 people play on one side and their intention is to score on the other side, and there is a goalkeeper in one of the places. I know you know what soccer is. So soccer is adhula. Atugo adhula. Atugo adhula. I'm playing soccer. Atugo adhula. The last word of today is adhuola. 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 To pull up by the roots. So you can say, Opudo ombasa adhuola. Opudo ombasa adhuola. Opudo ombasa adhuola. Good. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and see you tomorrow for more. Bye-bye.